Thanks very much for staying with us here on the second debate on the News Hour tonight. Now, Ami Yagnik says that the government has nothing to do with this Accenture report. Prakash Javadekar says we've said things that are only facts. Lord Meghnath Desai, let's come to you. Is it not that every time there is some sort of pat on the back, some endorsement from the corporate sector towards the Gujarat government, it makes the UPA and specifically the Congress very nervous? There's always critical reactions. You've been wanting to say something.
For example, Maharashtra comes out the best in terms of manufacturing industry. Now, if the government is going to say, this report is no good, then Maharashtra gets trashed as well. Why doesn't the government say,
right,
this report has lots of good aspects and more Congress states are getting good marks than BJP states? Why do they have to go on and on and on denigrating Gujarat and thereby denigrating themselves as a ministry which did not know what it was doing? I mean, they basically are admitting that they shouldn't have commissioned this report, or they should never commission a report without telling the reporter, don't say anything good about Gujarat, or we won't pay you. I mean, is that what they want to say?
Ami Yagnik, is that what you're trying to say? Are you trashing the report completely even when it has something good to say about Congress-ruled states?
Yes, it does.
Madam.
Karnataka, Maharashtra.
Can I come in, please? Can I come in, please?
Yes, please.
See, this is a report that has been put on the website, but it is not the endorsement of the ministry. It's a continuing process. There will be suggestions, comments, and it will be seen that which state is good in which best practices, what are the methodologies followed, what has been done in that particular state, on which parameters, and whether the environment parameters are taken into consideration, the statute is taken into consideration. So we will be looking, the study would be looking at all these aspects, and there will be input. The finality will become later on. This is a process. Yagnik, I think Mr. Desai knows about it.
Correct. Ms. Yagnik, you know what Lord Meghnath Desai's point is? Saying that, you're coming out and saying this report is a work in progress. Tomorrow, his simple point is that tomorrow, if a Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh or a Haryana were to come out and take out these points from this report and highlight it, would you be so aggressive in trying to beat down this report and trying to tell Mr. Bhupinder Hooda or Mr. Prithviraj Chavan, don't tom-tom about this report, don't take credit? Or is it only because Narendra Modi-led Gujarat government has done it and that's why you're getting so nervous and so defensive about it? That's what Lord Meghnath Desai is asking you.
We are not on that point. I think you are also falling in some different line. We are not on that. Any state who is good on which parameter can take the credit provided it has reached a finality. And the endorsement is not by the government. It's a private report which says that a particular state is good on certain parameters. So you have to take the report in its totality, in a holistic way to find out what is it all about. You cannot take it when it is at this stage on the website. And so just tom-tomming about a particular aspect on the national level and in election time, taking the credit for a policy which we don't know what parameters went into that policy, because the report would be subject to criticism and suggestions and commentary. So let us not go on that point comparing that you will tell this government, you will tell that state government.
Mr.
And one more point I would like to add here.
Yes, Mr. Javadekar wants to comment. Ami Yagnik, we'll come back to you for your second point, Ami Yagnik. Mr. Javadekar, the single point defense from the Congress is that this is not endorsed by the government.
My point is two. First, what is the desperation of Congress is on display is their utter desperation, A. And B, they were for now 7 years since Nano, when it came to Ahmedabad, they said that, government has given so much loan, and they criticize A to Z everything about what government offered. Every state government offers concession. Not that only Gujarat does. Every state does, but Gujarat is in focus because it has achieved certain success, and now Supreme Court has also said that nothing wrong has been committed.
You know, Mr. Javadekar,
3 years revenue if you give as a loan, Nothing is wrong.
You know,
and
Mr.
that is
Javadekar-
what ultimately the state gross domestic product goes up.
You know, Mr.
Employment
Javadekar,
goes up.
the moot
the
point-
state economic activity
You know,
goes up.
Mr. Javadekar-
Ancillary activities go up.
Mr. Javadekar, I have to bring this point out because whenever you point fingers at somebody, three always point back at you. You highlighted this land acquisition policy and latched onto it because you yourself said here on the news that Rahul Gandhi has been misquoting facts. And that is why you took this opportunity to show the government its place and say that, listen, your own leader is misquoting, is not aware of the facts. Let me ask, what is Mr. Narendra Modi and the rest of the BJP leadership doing as far as claims on drinking water, electricity and sanitation are concerned? Isn't Mr. Modi, isn't the BJP leadership making claims about what they have done in Gujarat as far as drinking water, electricity and sanitation are concerned? This report, you know what it says? It says, and I'm going to read, only 1/4. It shows that only about 18% have access to all three. Situation in Gujarat is no better, with just 1/4 of the households having access to all three. So what claims is Mr. Modi making and what claims is the BJP making? So aren't those claims
I'm
also
telling
not
you.
based on facts? So
I'm
if what the report is quoting is a fact, this is also
No.
a fact, isn't it? So it's also a criticism. So if
But
there
I'm
are,
telling
if there
you,
are, isn't
what
somebody
was the
else also
condition?
misquoting facts here?
What was the condition of Gujarat? What was the
Can
condition
I
of
come in
Gujarat
on this land
15
acquisition
years
policy?
ago, before 95? Because since 95 we are ruling. But before 95 it was for 40 years Congress was ruling. And therefore it was such a backlog. From there we have brought. It was a parched land. We have brought water there. If they would not have stopped the Narmada Dam to be completed,
Javadekar, I have been working in
Congress
the
party has
villages for the
practically
past
stopped it.
25 years.
Otherwise,
I
we
don't
would have
need
done
to
it.
take this-
And
this-
more
Gagan Sethi doesn't
importantly,
agree with you, Mr. Javadekar.
and there is only one state. No, I am telling
Mr.
you.
Javadekar.
Tell me one Congress state which provides 24-hour residential lights throughout all villages. A. Tell me a Congress state which is growing at 10% plus.
Come with
for
me
last
even
20
today to
years.
Gujarat, it is not
Tell
there.
me a Congress
But let
state
me-
which is 1 minute. Tell
Look,
me a
I'm not
Congress
here to
state
bat for the
which
Congress.
is growing in agriculture. Registering Congress growth, registering a agriculture growth of 10+% for continuously 10 years.
Mr. Javadekar,
Nobody.
Mr.
My
Javadekar, if we
state
start
farmers are
discussing all the
committing suicide.
parameters, then there
The
are various
same
ups and
cotton
downs for the
farmers are
BJP too.
flourishing Gujarat.
Mr. Javadekar, we are not
Because-
discussing all the
because
parameters.
we
We
are
are talking
not
about that
on
one
water
issue
supply.
today,
BJP
which the
we are on
BJP
that.
has highlighted. Gagan
Because
Sethi, last
that is
closing
so
comments from
sensitive.
you on that, please.
Yeah, let me say we are talking of a land acquisition policy, and it is much bigger than just procedures. I have been into this land acquisition issue much before BJP came to power, and it has been an issue. I'm not batting here for the Congress. The point is that the land acquisition policy is taking away lands, especially gaucher lands belonging to farmers, and their situation is getting worse. The first right on land acquisition is by Dalits, is by minorities, is by women. Their applications are pending in thousands with the state,
Sir,
and their
that does not
cooperatives
reflect in
are
the
not
report.
being given these lands.
Mr. Gagan Sethi,
Animal
fact of the matter
husbandry growth
is
fact
the
of the
report.
matter is, whether or not endorsed by the
husbandry
government,
growth.
it is
And
being
therefore
sponsored.
the
This report has been
report
sponsored
has
by the
to
Commerce and Industries
comprehensively
Ministry.
analyze the
Whether it's a
land
tabulation,
acquisition
whether it is a
policy
study,
and not
it is
just
there on the DIPP
fast-track
website, and
procedures
it does
of
give some thumbs
land
up as
can
far as
be
land
quickly
acquisition
given
policy is
with
concerned.
1
Some credit is
rupee
given to the Gujarat model and to the state of Gujarat, and they are taking credit for it. Right or wrong, facts are there, which is there on the DIPP website. Why is it there if it is not yet fully done? Those are questions that the government has to answer. We have got to wind up this debate on that note. I thank all our panelists for joining us here on the News Hour tonight.